So hi guys. If you're watching this video, that means you want to get started on network marketing, right? And trust. You are in the right space. So guys, this is a quick introduction about myself, right? My name is Coach Stephanie. As you know me on TikTok, Stephanie Nene, and Instagram as well, Stephanie or Nedima, that's my Igbo name, right? So I'm a network marketer myself, a forex trader, right? I'm also a student, right? And also someone that gives you a lot of money making updates. When it comes to catching updates, you must search my name on TikTok and you'll definitely see me there, right? So that's a bit intro about who I am. I am studying sociology and anthropology, so you can call me a sociologist. Guys, trust me, it's not easy. So that's just a quick intro about myself. Guys, let's just get right into it. As you know already, you're watching this video because you want to get started on network marketing. And this network marketing is actually self-explanatory. Like, it's self-explanatory because you know that network marketing is simply you marketing about a particular goods or services, right, based on your choice. But in this case, you're marketing services. I know services are those things rendered to people to help them out or to help them grow or to help them make money, just like I'm doing now. I'm rendering services to you. So that's just a brief summary on what network marketing is. Literally, you putting yourself out there to help people make money. And as you do so, you make money yourself, right? Don't worry, once you get into it, you have a full course study on how to actually prepare network market, the right media to use, the right conversation, how to actually converse with people properly, and how to get your customer audience, right? And as you know already, I will be your personal coach, right? Because this was the first skill set I got started with, which is called network marketing. I got started with this skill set before every other money making update I came in, because this skill set called network marketing paved the way to other different sources of streams of income, because you're putting yourself out there and you're getting access to opportunities, you know companies, countries that needs you to assist them or help them market a particular product or goods or services, right? So that's just a quick rundown. And as a network marketer, there are definitely two types of network marketing: the faceless network marketing and you know marketing with your face. We want to be seen, right? So the faceless is the one that you don't want to be seen. And obviously, once you pay in and get access to this course, you definitely get to know what it's all about, right? I want to give you guys a little story. Like, let me give you guys a little story on how I got started on my network marketing. And guys, this is literally a testimony or a motivation to those people that actually want to get started. Let nothing be an hindrance, because there's so much money to be made on this space, and so much things or people to meet from this particular space, right? So keep watching. When I started network marketing, I was actually in 100 level, right? I was actually 100 level first semester, and literally I had nothing. People who know me would know I had nothing. Not saying I don't have a family member. I obviously have family members, but that catch where always calling them and conversing with them that I want to buy this, I want to get this. Maybe you see people, most of your mates doing lifestyle, and you're like, OMG, I want to get my new hair, I want to get my hair done, I want to get this and that. That stress behind constantly calling them is what I don't even like. I don't have that kind of energy, and I'm someone who have been independent, right? Because I haven't done. I've done how to drop ship, I've done Stephlocks, my own personal business. I also have my own, did I tell you guys I also have my own store, right? I sell luxury wears, right? So even hairdressing, I've tried so many things, but decided to try this network marketing. Now, fine, I saw one particular guy posting about testimonials, and I'm like, oh, I want to get into this. How much to get started? And this person told me the amount. And someone that is looking for that always takes Gary. Like, when someone you tell me, when you're like, you're coming back from lectures and you don't have anything to eat, and I just see the nearest Gary to. So Gary, I have my friend on here that can actually tell you guys the real deal. We both drink that Gary together as dinner. You guys would think I'm trying to maybe forge. I'm not forging. Like, I even kept, even my mom, I told her this particular testimony, and she's like, I want to get started. I said, Mama, you can't do this, please. Focus on what she's doing, you know. So I really didn't really have much on me. I was just managing, and the roommate I was with, she was so annoying. She was not helpful. All this some roommate that you'll be with, you have to pray to God for your sanity and your safety, right? For your sanity and for your safety. So guys, let me show you guys something for you to know how old this phone is. This is actually the first phone I've used when I was in 100 level. And this was the first phone that got me my first money. I made about 180k after network marketing for a particular product, right? After marketing for a particular product, right? This is the phone I use, guys. No filter, guys. This is literally the phone I used. And the stress, you see, this phone, no, they get himself. The stress this phone gave me while network marketing. And let me even, before I even skip to that point, I didn't have the money to actually get started, but I had to tell the guy, okay, I'll get back to you. Let me save up, because I know they get myself. I'm literally looking for what to eat. That you want me to pay money that I'm not even sure if I'm paying for would work. Do you understand that kind of thing? And I've not even met this person. So how am I just gonna send you my money just like that? But because I know what I wanted, and I am a strong believer. Anybody that know me, I am a strong believer. Believer choke. Right? So I told him, okay, I'll get back to you. Let me try and see what I can do. It took me 2 weeks. I got the money saved. It shouldn't be up to 2 weeks because I was so determined, and oftentimes my dad randomly just sent me like 5k to just like get what to eat, and I'm like, let me just save maybe 2 5 or 3. Guys, this story, this is too real. This one no be, this is one a real life, as in very accurate. So I said, okay, let me be saving it bit by bit, and my friend be like, oh, my saving myself, da. And obviously she knew that, okay, I told her about something like this, but she they get herself, so nobody to help each other, which I just have to be the one to. I was sacrificial lamb, guys, right? I was sacrificial lamb, so that if it works for me, she will definitely get into it. And so time went on, and I was able to save up to the required fee, and I told him, okay, I want to get started, and he puts me on to it and signed me in, and like, okay, this is it, I just have to start marketing. And I'm like, okay, no guide, no Zoom, maybe Zoom call on how to, okay, like, okay, once in a while they host Zoom calls on what to do and what not to do. And obviously making a sale is usually stress-free, but that determination was there. And this particular one was a monthly with subscription. And I'm like, wait, what if I don't make money that month? So you mean I have to save for another money? So me myself, I already started saving up before that next month for me to resubscribe comes. Do you understand? I was quick to start saving up already, and I started saving up and trying to network. This phone needs to hang. I never see any phone will hang. This phone, I have actually refused to give my sister this phone, because this phone literally changed my life. So I don't know. I hope this phone too. In fact, I cannot even give out this phone. This phone, I will keep using it as a testimony to those people that do not believe, or to those people that think that maybe they have this, they're having a problem, and they think, because I see, turn your problem into your efforts. Like, it should boost you, it should give you that confidence to actually work. Because I'm like, wait, this phone is like, I'm stressed, how am I going to use this kind of phone? But at the same time, I want to change my phone. So this phone was not like a motivation to me. I want to actually change my phone, right, to actually properly network market. Before I can even post something, the phone will hang 5 minutes, you never post anything. So time for me to subscribe, and I told my elder brother that I don't know. I don't even know. I've not made money from this particular thing I paid for. My brother is like, he knows me. Say, I know they give up. And actually, I know they give up. That boy knows me too well. My elder brother knows me too well. And he was actually so supportive. And, with time mentor, I won particular. So one particular faithful day on a Sunday, the Lord was made. I said, okay, let me just post on my TikTok, and added a random caption about the product I was actually marketing about. Trust me, like I said, you can market about different things, but as long as you have the skill set, you would make money. And your residual income it depends on what your network marketing about. You can market about something that will give you 30K. You can market about something else that can give you extra 10K. You can market about something that can actually earn you in dollars. It's just based on what you're marketing about. But you should know that you're going to really put yourself out there. And even though you don't want to show your face, this skill set is still for you, right? Even if you're one, I don't want to show your face, this skill set is for you, because that's where the faceless network marketing comes in. So if you're someone that you're camera shy, you also don't want to show your face, but you want to be able to be a strong network marketer, you can still get into this, right? You can still get into this. So that fateful day, and now that night I was having terrible network connection. Like, the network was so bad, my brother had to say, okay, let me connect his hotspot, and his own was too bad, and it was raining. When it's raining, network will be shaky and that kind of thing. So he had to go downstairs and was like shaking his phone. I was upstairs because I was at my auntie's place. I had to do a little bit of holiday because I was mentally exhausted. I didn't have money to eat. I had to visit my auntie where I go eat free food, that kind of vibe. So that very day, my video, I was already giving up. That the phone is now hanging, I'm not having network. My brother said, post this post, because I have a time schedule which I'll definitely coach you on. Time schedule, right? Okay, so that very day, and that person like, God, I beg go, and I left off my phone. And the next morning, guys, see my phone booming. I'm like, shut da 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 da, shake bula. Guys, I literally went viral. I had about nine, as of that time when I came on, a particular day that I went viral, that was about 9K views. That's what I was having. Later, as they keep watching, you keep going viral and viral and viral. And I have people like, oh, I'm interested in your product. I'm interested in this. I'm interested in that, that. Guys, trust me, that day I made 3 sales. I was able to make 180K. I think 3 to 6 sales, able to make 180K. And I said to this guy, please, what do I do? I have my whole body was, I was so intoxicated. I was so intoxicated. I will show you the flyer up here. My congratulations on newbie 100. I passed my apprentice 100 rank. I'm going to actually put the picture up here so you can see that no cap here. Do you understand? And I was so happy, and I got my 180K straight into my bank account. Like, I was super excited, and I'm like, okay, what would I do with this money? Some people might want to get new clothes or hair or pink. I'm like, no, I actually want to continue in this, and I cannot keep using this score phone. Obviously, that was when I said, okay, I want to now pay. And of that, I think XR was about that same 180K, and I was able to get this XR. Right, you can see it's even broken. Right, currently I'm using a 13 Pro, so you can even see it's broken. Right, I've been using this phone for, like, that was the phone I had to get this phone without money, and I want to continue network marketing so I can invest in my business and properly be able to make video. I don't have to be borrowing phone up and down or waiting to this phone they stable. No. So, and I got this particular phone with network marketing. Trust me, this skill set is literally what you need to get into. And guys, I just want to tell you guys that it's very possible. This is my little story of my life, guys. Trust me, don't sleep on this. Right, and with this I was continuing able to market. I was making money, and I was able to pay and get into a forex academy. So not even after getting my XR, I had extra money, and continue network marketing, started trading and stuff. And guys, look at me now using a reversible laptop. Guys, no filter, guys. A reversible laptop, guys. Now this laptop is worth 500K. This is the receipt up there. The receipt up here worth 500K. Look at me. That Gary Gary is what I drink as dinner. Oftentimes I have good food to get. Actually, let me not be like, say I know they chop food. I actually had money to get food, but you have to balance yourself. You don't want to overspend when you don't have where else to get much more money. But guys, look at me. I have not really gotten much, but I am super grateful to God. Like, see guys, every day I actually every first Sunday I must give my tithe to God, because I know how hard He gave me to struggle. Like, guys, I don't even call when last did I call my mom or my dad to tell me money? Instead, I'm the one delivering to them. Which other day did I surprise my little junior sister? I also surprise my junior brother, right? I even sent my mom was like struggling with her shop and all of that. I had to send her money up here. That was about 100K, two particular receipts up there. So just like that, I'll keep helping them, and they've helped me. Right, this is my own turn to help them the little bit I can. So guys, this is the power of network marketing, guys. High energy, high income. High energy, high income. As my network marketer will say, high energy, high income. Now you can see how network marketing paved way for me to get started on forex trading, right? You can see how network marketing paved way for me to get started on what's it called, forex trading. And right there I even started network marketing for the forex trading academy itself, right? And guys, that's how it's been on and on and on and on. And those that even want to become an influencer and maybe you want to get your page high, guys, this is the skill set you need, right? This is the skill set you need, because as of then I was about 200 followers. When you create a new TikTok, you don't expect yourself to magically have, you want to buy. I don't really advise buying followers. Work for it, and there are so many ways for you to actually get it, right? So that's how I continued, and my page kept growing, posting and going viral and getting to meet different other people that would like to partner and all of that. Guys, trust me, no sugarcoats here. Hard work, consistency, God, effort. You see these four things. I will not tell you that you're going to get quick. You see how I struggled. Even with my bad phone, I still struggled because I know what I wanted, guys. So, usually to get started with this skill sets is actually 25k, right? It's actually 25k. You don't have to resubscribe. Me now, I even got started with $25 and I was subscribing monthly, 25 dollars, where I see I'm from, right? But I want to make this easier for you. You don't have to, no. So but I'm going to be giving a discount to the first people that actually text me. Now for you to get started now is 15k instead of what, 25k. Now you're getting access to everything you need to know. I'm going to hold you in fact, I'm going to be your right hand. I think this is my right, your right hand back, right? I'm going to be your right hand back and guide you all through the process, guys. So if you actually want to get started, as soon as you pay in, I add you to the group chat and you're going to meet your other fellow network marketers, right? I have different groups of network marketing, but the ones that are currently active is this particular one up here and this particular second one. Someone is about to even launch their business. Don't worry. And edification and all of that. Don't worry. You get to know every single thing once you get started. So I cannot wait. I literally cannot wait to become your personal coach on network marketing. So, bye.